Good morning, everybody. It is a overcast Sunday morning here in Florida. We're expecting a little rain later, so we're out early going to a car show. Going to the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup. For September. It's always on the third Sunday of the month. This one's a little early this month because the first was on a Sunday this month. So it's a week early this month, which is kind of weird, but hey, whatever. Anyway, I always enjoy going to this one. There's always different cars at it. You got your regulars, and then you always have different cars show up. So we're gonna go shoot some videos, shoot some pictures. We'll show you what we get. Hopefully, we'll have a good turnout. Last night our turnout was a little light at Callahan Cars and Callahan Cruisers. You can see I'm a little discombobulated this morning. Anyway, at the Callahan Cruisers at Hardee's last night, we only had, I don't know, maybe 25, 30 cars. We didn't fill up the parking lot by any means, but we kind of got rain shortened. And I think a lot of people stayed away because it was supposed to rain. It's supposed to rain this afternoon, but hopefully not until well after we're done. Because it's only from 11 to 1. But anyway, we'll go shoot some video and take some pictures and everything, and we'll post up the video when we're done. So stay tuned.
doesn't even like messing with my GM because I keep bringing him my car with small problems.
He's not a small problem guy.
He's not. He hates it. I need to go. I actually need to go test my tune-up now because he did tune it. Which I did not know at the time. My injectors were they've been running generally fine. They've been and I just never did a video. We saw some issues. He only got to 515 on the car. I don't know. It's it doesn't have the kind of yeah. All my injectors injector dynamics. Two of them need they're gunked up, so now I have a new fuel filter.
Hey guys, we just left Yulee Cars and Coffee. It rained the whole time we were there. It's ridiculous. But we did have a nice turnout of cars, not as many as usual. Of course, the rain kept people away, and it wanted to spit rain the whole time we were there. I'm gonna tell you, it was ridiculous. But I got my film, I got my video done, I got my pictures done. You know, it's aggravating, this weather. What's more aggravating is I went over about maybe half a mile down the road to Walmart to get some stuff, and the sun started shining. It's gone back in the clouds now, but it was shining for a minute. I took a video of it just prior to this. It's ridiculous, this weather. But that's Florida. That's the Florida life. Like I said, there wasn't very many cars there. We had our regulars. That's about all we had. So it's gonna be shorter videos, but I did all my videos. I took all my video. I mean, I don't know how much I'm gonna have, but I'm gonna have something out of each of them. So yeah. Anyway, on to next week. We have one car show next week. It's in Jacksonville. It's at the barn at Maple. It's some sort of craft show, car show, hybrid thingy, barbecue competition, arm wrestling thing. It's got a bunch of stuff going on. I don't know. The plan is to go out to that one, weather permitting. It's always weather permitting around here. But on a positive note, the channel is at 127 subscribers. I've got plenty of shorts content for the channel. We're going to be doing a lot more of that moving forward, because that seems to get a lot more views than my regular mainline videos, where I'm just taking you around the car shows. So I'm going to concentrate more on that. I'm still going to do all my same videos. I'm not going to change that. But as things get busier going forward, because I know there's a couple of weeks coming up where I've got 3 and 4 car shows in a week. At least 3. Yeah, 3. I'm going to have to hold that thought. Anyway, so yeah, we're going to have to put out more content. Maybe 2 a days. I don't know. I am glad that we're starting to move up on the subscribers again. Because for about a month I was stalled at 125. Like I said, you got to get to 500 to get the YouTube monetization going, and I really would like to get there sooner rather than later. So if you can, please share these videos, like them, comment on them, do all the things to get YouTube to put them on the recommendation page. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, and but I am doing something a little different. I'm actually taking you to the car show with me through these videos, and I'm trying to do different videos that are, you know, to try to get more attention, like the vlog style video that I'm doing right now. But anyway, I guess I'll catch you guys on the next one, which will be next weekend, hopefully. Or I may have to put out a vlog video saying, "Oh, I didn't make it to anything this weekend because of the rain." I don't know. It's one of those kind of times right now. But anyway, I'll see you on the next one.